The Newington-based gun maker Sig Sauer is facing new lawsuits after 10 more people claim that they were injured using a certain pistol. 5 law enforcement officers are among those suing the company and federal incident happened. They all allege that Sig Sauer's P320 handgun went off without even pointing. Attorneys filing these lawsuits say, quote, each and every plaintiff sustained like gun manufacturer Sig Sauer. Attorneys believe the gun should be recalled.
The gun that killed
Sig Sauer's
him.
Welcome to today's windy episode of D-Range. Today we're going to show you a Sig 320. Now there's a lot of speculations on this Sig 320. There's been a lot of lawsuits going on for these Sigs and how they're going off in people's holsters and things like that. Did it happen? I don't know. I'm not there. I don't know. I find it kind of hard to believe, but could it happen? Maybe. Either way.
It's time. D-Range time. Let's get to it.
So today, this is what we're looking at. This is a Sig P320 M17 9mm. All right, this one has the extended magazine in it. This one holds 21. It also has the short magazine that holds 17. Well, what we're going to do today, we're going to shoot a few things I got here in the background. We're going to try to see what this gun's all about. Now this is a full-size platform, 9mm. Looks like it's desert tan and the coyote brown or something mixture. It's a pretty cool looking gun. But let's start off. We're gonna hit a couple things over here and we're gonna see what we get. All right, here we go. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Now over here what we have a tank, a book, all the leftover aluminum foil from Christmas, yeah, and we have another book, and we have some other things. Let's see how accurate this gun is. Get over here, like so. Yeah, y'all can see me. Now let's do this. Let's get us over here more. Yeah. Let's get us over here more. Get me in this. Tank's down. Book's down. Your grandma's cooking's down. Other book, it got hit, it just stood there. Alright, we're a little close. But actually, you know, so far, this one also has ambidextrous safety on it. You can see it. So this is not a bad gun so far. Let's try fast. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Well, there's not so much you can do with a gun like this except for carry it. I got it. Got this 511 coat so you can rip the side, get to your holster. That's in my holster, and rip the side. It's a pull tab, so this pulls out, boom, and the holster rips open. Also have a pocket inside where I can get inside and get to this gun if I needed to. So it's all going to depend on what you want. But we'll shoot a few more rounds, and that's pretty much it with this gun. I know it's been a quick video, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Buy me a coat, it's cold out here. Here we go. Y'all even see that? All right, and we're out. So this is the Sig P320. This is how you like it. This is how you want it. This is what you want to carry. Something like this. This is not a bad gun. It's got a bad reputation. Like I said, the lawsuits. Some people have lost some lawsuits, but if you know anything about lawsuits, civil lawsuits, you can win criminally and lose civilly and vice versa. So either way, I don't think this is a bad gun. Tell me what you think, or what you think, or what you think. Either way, until the next time, if I don't see you again before the new year, peace.